There he is. All right, we just made a quick pit stop. Gonna change gears here a little bit and get out the bow and arrow, do a little bow fishing off the kayak, and we're gonna target some stingray, shark candy. So that's the game plan. It's kind of windy. We'll see how it goes. I'm not very optimistic, but we're gonna give it a try and see if we can get a stingray or two. Stay tuned. All right, the plan is to hug the shoreline, try to stay out of the wind. I'm just kind of scouting right now to see if I see any. Typically there's a ton of them, a ton of stingray. If we happen to see some, we'll get set up with the bow, see if we can pick a couple off for bait for shark fishing. Man, I would think there'd be some right in here. I should have the bow ready. I don't. It's kind of dumb, but haven't seen any yet, so we'll play it by ear here. But I'm able to utilize my kayak pretty much like a paddleboard. It's very stable. I haven't fallen out of this yet while doing this. There might be one over there. Might have just saw a small one sitting on the bottom. But I'm just gonna cruise the shoreline. If we don't see anything, we're gonna pack her in. I'm protected in this bay right now. If you look out ahead or straight ahead, you can see the white caps kind of rolling. All right, we should see something if there's something in here. Little puffer fish looks like just took off. There he goes. Ooh, there's one right here. Or no, actually, that was a horseshoe crab. Whole lot of nothing out here. Wonder where they're at. It's too cold, or maybe they're deeper. I'm not sure. Is that one right there? I don't think so. There might be one over there. What's the water temp? 72. I mean, if they were in here, this is where I'd be seeing them. I'm just gonna loop back around. Look at that, horseshoe crab. Gonna go sit on the beach. That's kind of neat. I wonder if they're mating. Huh. Interesting. just saw a stingray. It's kind of deep. I think I see it. Alright, this is gonna be where'd he go? Dang it. Shoot. Water 72. Yeah. Huh. But that was definitely a little stingray. Jellyfish. Little jelly. Oh, we see one. I got it. Alright. We're gonna see if we can. There he is. Just like that. We got ourselves some shark candy. Here we go. Got her bait. This bow setup, this is just a absolute cheapo bow from Amazon that came with a bow reel. The bow is fine. I mean, it's not, I mean, it works. But the reel it came with was junk. I would highly recommend an AMS Bowfishing reel. Works 1,000 times better than, watch your step, than your Amazon cheapo that came with. So, well, cool. Quick little outing, took about, shoot, 10 minutes. 10 minutes to get that Stingray. And typically there's tons of them zipping around.